Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips again. We have a bedside table. I don't know what it is, what it looks like or whatever, so we're going to unbox it now and have a look at what we have in here. Okay, 1 second. Alright, let's see what it is that we got. There we go, we've got a little bedside table. It's our instruction booklet. First thing you need to do is check the tools you need. Have you got? Check the quantity of the bits you got. Make sure you got everything you're supposed to have. There's the do's and the don'ts. So a one-man job, it's a two-man job. Yep, lay on a rug, not on the floor. Think about it? No, check your manual. Okay? So we flip over and we start work. Okay. I've just been told to tell you that it's not blatantly obvious. I'm going to show you, but I'm going to show you in a minute. Yeah, some people just have to interfere. Anyway, let's move forward. That's what you get when you unpack. Your plastic screws, metal screws, don't know what those are called, locking nuts, pegs, feet, bag of nails, and a pair of runners. Okay, in our box we have one side that I'm now assuming it's a top, two sides. I know that because they've got the runners on them. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and if I look at the back of these 4, oh, by the way, before I look at the back of these 4, you see where that looks damaged? See that? These are the things you need to check for before you start assembling your things. Once you see these sort of things, it's then up to you whether you want to continue or return the goods in case you go too far and can't turn back with it. Anyway, we carry on. We've got blue, red and red, blue and blue. That other side we've told you about, nothing behind there. We've got 2 of these and 2 of these, 2 bottoms. So straight away I'm thinking those, the drawers. That largest bit, so back. There's front of one drawer, front of the other drawer, back of the other drawer, back of the other drawer. So what I'm going to do now, there's 2 drawers there, there. I've got 1, 2. Now, the way to figure out these, got the slots, the screw holes in the sides there. And these, I said I was going to tell you. Let me go back to the beginning. Right, these are what I'm going to start with first. These go through. Got a phone call coming through. Hold on, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. I got interrupted, but it's a good thing as well because I was making a complete shambles of it. Just like that. This bit should go on. That's the side, isn't it? See these plugs here? Yeah. This one I was telling you about before goes through here, just like that, and it should. This is turning into a little nightmare. Don't know if I feel I'm distracted listening to people. That should go. That's the top of your drawer. That goes on the inside of the drawer. So that will go on that side. Locates like that. That comes down like that. Pin goes through. Locate in these holes. Alright, I'm going to put it together like you see. These bits here, alright, they go in these holes. And you should see an arrow on the top of it. See the arrow? That points to the hole. So that will go in just like that and presses in. Alright, this is where your screwdriver comes in. Alright, so your screwdriver, this screwdriver is a bit too big. You can see I'm gonna have to get a smaller screwdriver to turn it. But basically that's how it works. These feet here, as I was saying before, they would go in the bottom just like that. Alright, the nails here, that will be to tack the back of it on. So you got a good idea now. So we're just gonna crack on now and you can watch us. So see how much of it you can get. Okay? See you in a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Now I'm going to give you a demonstration. I gave you an explanation. I don't know how good that was, but I'm going to give you a demo. Right, so this is a back. Right, this we're going to get there in the end. Fits in the grey side inside the drawer. Okay, so we're just going to put that there like that for now. This side, the locators goes on the outside. So this groove fits onto here. Alright, so we're going to take that out for a second. Put that there for a second. These pegs I was showing you earlier on goes through there. Through there. Get my hammer. Just push that through a bit for you. See that? And there locates in there, just like that. If we get it together. Get my hammer. Get the next side, which is not that one, is it? Yep, that'll work. So put that on there like that. Get 2 more of our plugs. 1, 2. 1 there. 1 there. These ones, they go through that hole and come out there. We're going to go to that in a minute. So we put that one in there. And that one in there. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have these. Now these go in here. On here, you've got an arrow at the top of there. Right, so that goes in like that, and it presses right in. Okay, 1 arrow, arrow. If for any reason you can't see your arrow, the opening, which is this side, that always goes towards the hole. Okay, so we'll turn that around. That one will go in like that. And that one will go in like that. Okay, that. Now we come to this bit that I was talking about. This is the front of your drawer. These that I was telling you earlier, they've got to be screwed into, I'll put it like that. And I can see what goes here, which is the second hole in. So that must go in there. And the other one goes in the first hole. Alright, just rest that there for a minute. Get my screwdriver. And I'll just screw that down. Remember, clockwise tighten. Anti-clockwise remove. Okay, so tighten that down. that down. Right. These little pegs here, I can show you that. Yeah. Those will go one just there. And the other one, there it is. That'll go just there. That's to stop your drawer banging when it closes. Now these pegs here, I could have put them in here. It would make no difference whether it's there or there. So now I drop this on with the back. So I've got to get this, let me just show you before I start putting it together. Slots there. So that is going to sit in there like that. Now, so I can be easier if I do it like this. Line everything up. Get that in there. And just bring that down to meet it. Alright, once I get it down, now this bit, I haven't got the right screwdriver to do, so I'm just going to use a knife. So if I come down here and I turn that, it should tighten it in. That's locked. And you see the way I'm swinging it around on the floor? Try not to do that. You scratch your floor up. I'm gonna have to get a proper screwdriver to do that. That don't look good, you know what I mean? I'll do it on the next drawer. Right, once I got my drawer together like that, next thing I need to do, let's try these ones. Right, once you've figured it all out, the wheels go at the top, okay? Holes line up there, and these screws are the ones you use to fit it in. So if I just get my screwdriver again. Don't tighten it up tight, just catch it first. So you have the movement. Catch the others. And that's it. That's our drawer done. Right, so we're going to move on to number 2. This bit is a bit that I was talking about, so I'm going to do is just trim that off. Okay. Get rid of that. Curve. Safe side, put them in there. Look down properly. I've lost the screw tape. Pause for a minute, please. Alright, that's it. Okay. Right, we're gonna start on the main structure now. So we're gonna get that out. We're just gonna do the blatantly obvious first. Which is these. Right, so that's the other side there. And this one goes like that. That, there, and that's there. See, I'll put that in there. I was about to put it on there, so it will go on. The color is on the inside of the cabinet. The color needs to be outside, so it should be this end. goes in like that. So we put that in like that now. The colour is on the outside. And lock it. Top one again. Close the same. This one's now got to go on top of here, just like that. Is it finished? Leave it. Alright, stop for a minute. Tip the drawer down and then lift up. On top of the roller and lift. Yeah. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen. There's our little bedside table. All finished, completed. Remember, when you finish everything, check you haven't forgotten anything. See those two little bits there? Not a nightmare. Goes in the side of the drawers. So one will go just in the side there, and the other one, the opposite side, just there. Okay, so from trade people's tips, till next time, remember, stop robbing people if you're doing it. See you later and good luck.